Got it. Any questions till now? We have discussed the assignment shape. Okay. Decision utility subprocess send email. Run data transform. Create PDF. We have discussed some 7 or 8 shapes. Any questions till now? Shapes. You can see there are so many automations here. We cannot go through each and every automation. So push notification is there, right? If you select this push notification, whenever it went through some stage, you will get a notification here. You will get a notification to user. Click on cancel. You have some notification. This user interface doesn't have a here. You see, here you have notification. You will get the notification number here, like 1, 2, 3. Some kind of notifications that will get pushed to here to user. That is a push notification. Here you have it. Push notification. Send notification. Any questions? There are so many things, we cannot go through each and everything. Attach content is like, it will push a user to attach a document. It will ask the user to attach a document. These are automations. We have few advanced shapes. Advanced shapes we will not discuss right now. Those are like split, join, spin-off. We have it. That one we will be covering under CWSA. For these things, you need to have a knowledge on parallel processing. We will not discuss these things now. But you just remember the names. Split for each and split join. You have so many things here. These are for parallel processing. If user has to process, let the users need to work on single case. It will use. We will use A. Based on the context, we will use these shapes. Split, for each split join. Split join. One more shape is split join. Any questions, guys? Split join, split for each. These two are for parallel processing. To process a list of records, we will use split, join and split for each. Right now we will not going to discuss this one, but you would remember the name. Split, join and split for each. Any questions, guys, on any shape? Go through the shapes, okay. On your own if you go through few shapes. For me, last time they have asked in interview this question. They have asked, which was recently introduced. This one assignment service. You saw assignment shape. But they have asked the assignment service. What is an assignment service shape? If you have some time, go through this one. What is an assignment service? They have asked me in interview question. I didn't tell this one. At that time, I don't know what is an assignment service. This was introduced in latest version. Assignment service. If you double-click, you can see there are some other parameters. Type is there. You don't know. You go through this one, okay, on your own. If you didn't get, I will tell you in the next session. You see, pause the case and wait for incoming service request. This is related to some integration part. Assignment shape is different from assignment service. Any questions, guys? On shapes flows. Out of this, I just want to ask, do we have mapping also included in this course? Like mapping the Pega fields, because in my project there are contracts. On those contracts, the client wants to map the Pega fields to actually paste the doctor's name and the client's name in that contract. So do we have mapping? Mapping is not a different concept. Mapping is nothing but setting a property in data transform. You will use set method and you will map the values. That's it. Mapping is nothing but a different concept. Mapping is nothing, but you will use either data transform or activity to map the data. Map in the sense to set the data from one field to another field. So like the contract, which are getting automatically created in the system. So if they want signature of the doctor on specific place, so they have added that anchor. And then if they want to paste the mail ID of that respective person, so they have just provided the Pega field over there to paste the mail ID. Similar to like this, write fetch the mail ID, in the sense they will get it from the clipboard. See here how we are referring. This is a mapping. This is a mapping of email address to this field. Mapping is nothing but setting a property. You are mapping this from clipboard. On clipboard, the data will be present on customer ID page. So you are mapping in a particular context. That's it. See, they will use that word. That's it, mapping. You don't think mapping is something different and all. Mapping is nothing but setting that value. Like pulling a value from clipboard and passing to a different property. Okay, thanks.